on, guys? Starting this one off early. It's about 7:30 in the morning. We're in Greenville, South Carolina for Cars and Coffee of the Upstate. So we are washing the cars up now and then we're getting headed there. So I'll see you there shortly. Alright guys, so starting to become a clan. We got Mark over here, black VK2 3.8. But over here it looks like a base model 2.0 turbo. And then clean 2.0 turbo with nice sounding exhaust over here. So we've already got 4 gens, and let's see how many more we can pick up before we get to the show. But we're getting them all washed up. I just tried to dry it down the best I could. It's kind of fucking cold out here, so it's hard to do anything, but the car's looking pretty good. First show in a while, so hopefully it goes good. Alright guys, I can't even put the camera down for 2 minutes without another Genesis showing up. Got another 2-liter turbo. Blue, I love this color. Honestly, between that color and that color, I couldn't choose my favorite, but obviously you saw which one I went with, so I guess you can choose from there, but that's where we're at right now. 5 gens deep, and we'll see where we're at in a few minutes. Also guys, I wanted to say this is the first video of 2020. We've had some difficulties at the beginning of 2020 with the cars and whatnot, and the police, so there'll be a video of that coming soon. But if you haven't noticed, there's been some new mods to the Genesis since the last time you saw it. So I picked up this Street Arrow rear diffuser with the side winglet, red pinstriping. I really love how this diffuser looks. I've always liked this diffuser more than any other diffuser really, and I found a pretty sweet deal on it. So I was like, okay, gotta get it. And other new stuff, let's see. I needed new rear tires, so trying to find another set of 285/35s like I had before. Couldn't do it, so I went with these Michelin 3068/18, basically like a radial, 12 inches on either side, all the meat for the rear. And then after doing that, so we switched it out from a 245/35 to a 275/35 in the front, and I think with 305 in the rear and the 275 in the front, the fitment is a lot better. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I've changed since then. I don't think there is. But that's how the car is sitting right now. This diffuser I am in love with. I think it just completes the rear end. Makes it look that much more aggressive with the fat meat. Comment below what y'all guys think of the diffuser. Alright guys, picked up another one. This is 2-liter Vaccine, but we're up to 6 now. 2 black, 2 blue, 1 silver, and obviously the star of the show. Just kidding. But yeah, so we're at the car meet. It's just getting started now. Quite the area for a lot of vehicles. I already see it's yellow C6 right here, and there's a yellow 370 down there somewhere. That's where we're at. Alright guys, so we're walking around. Got this clean white 370 right here. This is the yellow one I was telling you about. Pulled up when we were washing our cars. Car wash. He didn't say anything to me. I guess this will be that yellow 3.7 and not that yellow 3.8. Take that, you ugly motherfucker. Alright guys, I wanted to show you this Audi R8 V10 Plus with the brown interior. What do y'all think of the Audi R8? Do y'all think that the V10 Plus is the only supercar version of the Audi R8, or do y'all think the V8 version should be counted as a supercar as well? I'm trying to get y'all some good footage of the nice cars out here. There's definitely some that aren't as clean as other ones. And I haven't really seen any wide-body cars. There's a couple Subarus, and that's about all I've seen so far. So I'll pick up the camera if I see anything else. Alright guys, just as I say that, we find a wide-body FRS. Things actually falling apart. Wouldn't expect much more from an FRS owner, but I guess if you squint really hard, close your left eye, it might actually look kind of clean. Now I do like the dashboard on the bottom for jacking up the car. That would be convenient as hell for me, but Ferrari asking $57,000. Clean them. Got another Ferrari, big ass fucking Decepticon looking bullshit. Two H1s over here. Guys, from another Genesis. I think this is a 3.8. I'm not exactly sure. I do like the wheel setup though. Expect these. It's looking clean. I'm not sure if he drives it, but JNC wheel setup. Auto. Okay, Mustang. Okay, we get it. There's a lot of crowds around. Watch out. So we saw this at the last Columbia car meet.
Lean to the side.
This is Uber M3. Two bottles of NOS. Two big ass 15s or 12s. Some, I don't know what the fuck they are. They're big as hell. They look like 12s. Maybe they're 15s. Nice ass HRDs. Clean ass car. Wow, look at all the carbon. Guys, you ever wanted to do something that was going to make your car completely not functional? Do this. Take a truck, slap it right on the fucking ground. Now you can't tow anything. You can't even put the license plate on the back. You can't do anything. I couldn't see this truck over this Mustang when I was on this other road back here. Insanely low. Obviously bagged. But that's crazy. Got another red Ferrari. Seems to be the trend going on here. Nice ass GT3. And guess what, guys? 3.8 league. Just like my car. Clean. Speaking of 3.8 liter motors, he's got. Wow. What's that? Clean ass GTR. Another GTR. Another GTR. And another GTR. It's one of my favorites because of the wrap color. And obviously it makes stupid power. But it's got the interior wrapped as well.
I've changed it twice already.
Alright guys, I had to come back and correct myself because although I thought this was a wrap because it looks like it, that is fucking paint. Look at that.
This is like my dream car.
I'm so sorry.
This is my dream car.
Makes stupid power, fat ass wheels in the back. Z06 LOL. I fucking love it. I love it. He would gap the fuck out of a Z. Clean ass. What do y'all think of this new Veloster? And personally, I like them. I think they did a good job with them. But I don't really see too many of them out. It's my first time seeing one in person, actually. All right, guys. Alpha Speed tuner in Greenville's Genesis. 2.0 turbo. He's about to do a flyby. I'm fucking out of breath. I just ran down here to get it, but he should be coming out shortly. And I'll try to get y'all footage of how it sounds. His car pops loud as fuck. He's on a wall box and tune. I'm here with the boys right now. We're waiting. Fucking, what the hell? Piece of shit, man. Get the fuck out of here. There we go. Rev it! Look at that. Got some yellow muscle coming. All right, here he comes. Jesus fuck. Okay, we got some verbal going on with that Mustang, but that damn Genesis sounds like a gunshot. It's just insane. What do y'all think of the, oh my god, Jesus fuck. What do y'all think of that, like the Korean popcorn tune where it just burbles and burbles? Y'all like that more than loud pops like in 2.0, or what do y'all prefer? Jesus Christ, we can still hear that. He is gone, and we can still hear him, but we're about to head out and go on some curvy roads. See if I can get some footage for y'all.
We'll do it in the mountains, laugh my ass off.
And then there we're for. Got lucky, guys. State trooper almost pulled us all over. We were all just cruising and turning the lights on, and then I guess he saw all of us and decided it wasn't worth it. We weren't even speeding or nothing. You have got to hear the backfires of this 2.0. I cannot hear my ear. Fuck, what the?
Yo, it blew that fucking leaf out of there.
It blew the leaf all the way over here.
Bro, that made my ears ring.
Oh yeah, you can take a picture, no problem. Guys, got the Genesis out here. For a cruise up the mountains, back around. I think we're in Asheville now, I'm not exactly sure. We got them all, this graffiti wall. It's looking pretty sick, to be honest. Car kind of got all dirty and shit, but oh well. We just out here chasing views on views. Strapman would be struck at this right here. We're on the side of the mountain. Fort Jenny's in this clean freaking muscle up here. Look at that view. GT350. Insane. It is a whole new day, guys. I realized I never really recorded an outro yesterday. It was a long day. By the time I got back, I was just tired and fell asleep and whatnot. So we did make it back safely from all of our travels yesterday. Cars and coffee all through North Carolina, South Carolina, and whatnot. Cars back here, it's looking a little dirty right now. Actually, a lot of dirty. These wheels are kind of prone to getting mud and dirt everywhere, but I guess that's the wide life. Anyway, that's basically going to wrap up this video for Cars and Coffee and everything else that happened yesterday. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, browse the channel for more, and I will see y'all in the next video shortly.